we've caught another one again. Literally by Finley.
Well, not on the drop, but we just baited up and then it's just fucking gone.
Yeah. We literally just baited up in that court down here. Literally just baiting up right in the edge, in the reeds, onto the right, and then went to the right hand side, zipped off. I need to get the net ready. Lily, can you come and do that for us? She's a camera woman for the day. Another caught. Absolutely. Didn't take it on the drop. It took about, I'll say, 10 minutes. Absolutely good day.
Someone's trying to bait it up.
Our bait's working. Our bait is working. Good day fishing. And it's especially those baits work in the winter times, I think.
Fucking Christ.
Finley's actually absolutely smashing me to bits. Finley's smashing me to bits at the minute.
Phil, get ready.
So I am
Big
getting
one,
ready.
mate.
I think it feels
Look at
like
the way your rod's bending.
10 pounds. Just be careful, don't like, just let it rip. Just let it go.
Listen, if I...
Let it go, don't like really move it. Just let it go. I think this is a decent one.
I think it is.
What are you saying, Lily?
I'm gonna say 7. I don't think it's gonna be 10.
Oh.
I think like 7.
7 pounds, that's alright.
I'm saying 7 and 8.
Yeah.
I'm saying about 10. 10 pounds.
I think that's a bit too much aiming for the stars.
I'm saying that because the way that's fighting. But then again, £3 carp can actually fight like that.
Imagine if we just lift down, it was a shark.
There is 17 pounds in here.
I don't think this is a 17 pounder.
Fucking hell. This guy's really testing me. My shoulder's starting to go.
I'm sorry about the swearing, but
Some of us can't help ourselves.
yes, I'm sorry about it. So we try to not swear frequently. We're just too excited.
Yeah.
Finley, don't get a bit too close to the edge in case it drags you in.
Yeah, that's actually a decent one. I thought it's like a black. Yeah, just let it pull.
Oh, fuck off.
Oh, please. Double take. Please. Please. I've literally baited that up for area. Just don't tighten it anymore.
No, I lifted it again.
Oh, that's good. It might be the same fish like you caught.
Yeah, I thought
It's
that.
the same fish.
Is it?
It might be the same fish.
I think it's gonna be the same fish.
You're alright. But will it go a bit bigger? Might be mine what I caught, £5. It really wants to scrap this fish.
Oh no, I think this one's bigger.
This one's bigger.
Oh.
It is.
You're so excited now. Let's just get it in the net. Just get it in the net.
Theo, you get a bit too close to the edge for comfort, and
I might fall in.
yeah. That is fucking mad. Sorry for the swearing, guys. That is really quite a big fish. This is not the same one you had before.
Is it bigger?
Yeah, I think so.
Yep. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my days.
Oh yeah, please.
Finley, have a look at this.
Grab the rod.
This one's big.
Someone grab the rod.
This is massive.
My arm is gone.
Finley's actually, his arm's gone.
No, Finley, get a bit more out of the water first because it is massive.
This might be, I think might be 10.
I think this might be like a 9,
Yeah.
maybe a 10.
Oh, come on.
It's pulling up a 5, so gotta be. Fucking hell. Finley's actually this is his first 10 pounder. I'm saying 10 pound.
I think that's
10 at least.
That is a 10. Come on, Finn. Today's the day, mate.
Obviously, that's beautiful.
On his new membership as well.
I know.
But his girlfriend brought it him. So,
Look at that.
Jesus Christ.
That is a chunky bastard.
Finley,
Right.
the YouTube video.
Finley, the YouTube mate. Sorry about him. I'll take it over.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Yeah, the bait has fell off, but it don't matter. We'll chuck that back. Look at the size of
That is
this
one
carp.
beautiful fish.
Easily 10 pound.
But where's the hook?
Could be 12. Could be 12.
Where's the hook?
The hook's in its mouth. Absolutely massive carp. Took it, and I think it's a good day's fishing. Finley's checking. We're only using a size 6 hook. We're using just a size 6, simple,
Decent size though.
simple Ronnie rig.
Right, how are we moving this net off with this fish?
There you go. You need to pick it up. Hold that for us. Back to the camera woman.
Fish.
Oh mate, this is actually his first big carp from Finn. Oh, this might be a 12 pounder.
I'm thinking 10, 12.
Sort that out. Weigh it. Got to weigh it first.
Finley, the YouTube video.
I'm trying to sort it out. It's too big.
This is massive, mate.
Why is, look at his face, it's covering
This
his
is
face.
absolutely massive.
This is one big fish.
This is the beast.
Is that a common carp?
Yeah, it's a common.
I don't care, mate. That's so good. What were you all saying?
10
I'm saying.
or 9. I'm going to say
I'm
9.
saying £10.5.
I'm going to say 9.
Something about £8.
£8.5.
No, I don't believe that. Let's redo that. No. I don't believe it.
No, I don't think that. I don't think it's
I
right.
don't believe that one bit.
Get it set up properly.
I don't really believe that.
You are beautiful, mate.
I don't really believe that. It's saying £8, but the scales lie to me. Right, let's put it back in. Rinse the water out.
Oh, that's it.
No, thank you. I decline.
That way.
I don't really believe that. Saying £8.5, which is a bit of a.
Yeah, because the other one was like £8, £8.6, and this one looks a lot bigger.
Ready?
Yeah.
What?
Right, and it's £8 for £8.4.
£8.4, I'll take that.
I'd take that. Another £8.
Big fish though.
Yeah, massive fish.
Yeah.
Put some of that stuff in its mouth.
We need to put some of this.
See? Look.
Right. Battle scars.
Yeah. Keep it on that for now.
There you go.
Another
£8
£8 fish.
To be honest, mate, that is fucking beautiful.
Finley,
Sorry.
the YouTube.
Another absolutely monster of carp.
There you go.
Absolutely
Thank
good.
you. That fish is bloody
Tell you
beautiful.
what.
Calm for a fish.
Yeah. So let's put it back and get another one.
Look at that.
Look, it's shaking. Absolutely another one. Let's put it back and
Go
let's
on.
catch another one.